Hi there. Have you heard people online talking about passive income? Maybe something's come up with friends or family in conversation. It's always fascinating to me, especially when it comes to online businesses, how often people sound like passive income is a new concept. But in fact, it has been around forever. So we are going to demystify one of the simplest routes to passive income, which is investing in stocks. So stocks at their core are owning a small piece of a company. And as that company earns, you can potentially earn as well, especially if the company decides to distribute a portion of its profits to shareholders. So that portion of the profits that gets distributed to shareholders, those are the dividends. There have been companies who have consecutively been paying dividends for over 100 years at this point. So this is definitely not a new concept. It has been around for a long time. But why passive income? Why does it even matter? This week or this month, during our financial empowerment series for Domestic Violence Awareness Month, we're talking all about the skills to develop to really increase your financial confidence, to feel financially empowered, but also to really build a secure financial future for yourself. Part of that is diversifying your income streams. And so having the income from stocks can be one stream of income for some people that they really count on, quite frankly, as part of their overall income diversification. Now, it is absolutely important to remember that whenever you invest, there's always risk involved. But the nice thing is that in this day of age, there are more opportunities than ever in terms of the technology and platforms available to easily research companies and get started with small dollar amounts, even in some of the bigger stocks. So there's a lot of opportunity there, but it's very important that you do the research and understand the risk and the reward associated with any investment that you're considering. And when it comes to the dividend, you can choose to reinvest that dividend back into the stock or have it deposited right into your bank account and use it for spending money or other kinds of investments. However, you choose to use that passive income, you want to be part of your overall financial planning strategy. So that's a little bit about how simple it can be to get involved in passive income. For everybody out there who is dreaming of passive income, stocks can be a super simple first step. So dive in, learn, and start your journey today. And if this video resonated with you, remember to hit that subscribe button and share it with your community so together we can thrive.